Hi everyone, quick how-to with the equation editor. I do apologize, I should have showed you this sooner, but you're fine if you're just typing stuff in for your discussion for this week. But in future discussions, when we do the next one in a couple weeks, we'll use the equation editor to type our math in. So again, it's okay if you didn't use it this time. So when you're in your discussion, when you're typing in your post, you click on this little square root X. It says Insert Math Equation. So I click on that, and then you have all these math symbols. So we were doing conversion, so you might want to convert, let's say 20 feet to inches. We'll just do a basic one. So it's a 20 feet, and I want to kind of do what they're doing in the textbook. So maybe I do times, and then I bring in the fraction, right? So it would be 12 inches is one foot, right? Something like that. Or I could even make this fraction if I wanted to. So that would be for this week. And if you wanted to do exponents, maybe you got to do some exponents. X to the third, you could say X. And then you come and find the superscript button. Oh, there it is. Try that again. Right, we want it to be up high, so we sup, and that's x squared, and then multiplied by the dot stands for multiply. So I want to multiply by x to the fifth, x to the fifth, and then when you insert it, you'll see how nice it looks. Right, it looks nice, like what would be in a math textbook. Okay, so I mean, you can any math you can think of, you can find in here and type. Here's all your symbols. We'll do a little trig portion. Here's theta and alpha. Yeah, so I just wanted to let you know, again, didn't need to do it for this discussion, but in the next one, we'll try and have better math typing in. Let me know if you have any questions about anything.